when someone gets criticized, their fear center, the amygdala, activates. That means that logic and reasoning doesn't work very well. So when a child gets criticized, a teacher, a coach, a friend, you need to take the right steps in order for you to build up their confidence. The first step is to just be present. You're not trying to fix anything. So for the first few minutes, your silence is more important than any words. That's right, just be with them, sit with them side by side, just for a few minutes to let them know that you are there for them. Believe it or not, that action of you being present itself lowers their cortisol level, the stress hormone, by up to 30%. So, sit with them, come down to their level in terms of physical proximity. That means if they are sitting down, you sit with them. They are kneeling down, you kneel with them, and have your hands in an open palm position. Of course, you can have your arms around their shoulder, holding their hands. That's good enough for the first few minutes. The next step is a step that parents often make the biggest mistake. They usually say, don't worry, don't stress out about it, forget about it, it's just a small matter. When you say that, what you're actually doing is dismissing the child's feelings. And that's not good at all in the long run, because feelings should be validated and should be appreciated, regardless of whether it's positive or negative. You want to make a person feel valued. And what better way than to show the person that you understand how they are feeling? Empathy. So, instead of saying, it's a small matter, just let it go, you validate the feeling. Put it into words. You could say, hey, that hurts, right? You feel sad. You feel embarrassed, right? Just one simple sentence to show that you understand how they are feeling. The third step, remember to separate the event from the person. You see, to someone, whether it's a child or even an adult, when someone makes a mistake, especially if it's a child, because they are still gathering experiences and might not know how to deal with various challenges. So to a child, when they make a mistake and they get criticized for it, to them, they might feel that they are a mistake. So it's your duty to separate the mistake from the person. Let them know that they have made a mistake, yes, but they are not a mistake. Let them know that one bad decision does not override the hundreds of wonderful decisions that they have made. After you have validated how they are feeling, the next thing to do is to remind them of a past win. It could be something good that they did yesterday, last week, last month. Bring up the event. Get them feeling how they felt at that point in time when they had something that made them feel overjoyed, proud. Just a sense of achievement makes them smile. Bring up the incident. You could just say something like, "Hey, do you remember when you painted that lovely portrait last week and everyone gathered around you to have a glimpse of that wonderful painting?" Or you remembered what you did yesterday, how you scored that goal and everyone was cheering for you. Yes, remind them. You become their memory keeper until they can remember it by heart themselves. So remember, sit with them, validate and acknowledge their feelings, and remind them of a past win. Remember that a child can overcome criticism when you are there to help them along the way. Show them that they are worthy of overcoming any kind of challenges that come their way. It does not matter how many times they have been criticized, but at the end of the day, they know that they can reach whatever they set their mind to, regardless of criticisms and challenges. Do it for them, and in the long run, you raise a child that is strong-willed, able to absorb criticism and come back stronger than ever. You got this. Enjoy the animated video. See you next time.
Step 1. Get to their eye level. Physical connection breaks the shame spiral instantly.
Oh. Ow.
Name the feeling for them. That hurt, didn't it? Labeling emotion reduces amygdala activity by half. Separate the behavior from the identity. You made a mistake, not you are a mistake. Critical distinction. Remind them of a past win. Competence is cumulative. One criticism doesn't erase 10 victories. Visualize the recovery. Where will you be next week? This builds forward momentum and kills rumination. Celebrate the effort to process it. Effort praise triggers dopamine. They'll face criticism braver next time.